Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video on the 91 Fiber. We decided to replace the worn out rain drip guard, which this one was all bent out of shape, so it keep getting caught on the window every time that I put it up and down. So I got these new ones. I think I got them from Rock Auto or Amazon, I don't remember where. So these are the plastics ones. You have to figure out which one is left and right. When I pulled out the rubber seal, I kind of ripped in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, since I don't have another rubber seal until I should have bought it, you know, together with this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this glue right here, super weather strip adhesive black, and I'm gonna put it in there so it can squeeze in a little bit on the on these cracks that I have at the end. Right, the best thing to do is to pull it with a flat screwdriver very slowly as you're pulling it out, and you got to match the drill drapes. It has a two double side. It has a little pinch that you have to cut out. So rather than to peel it off trying to match it, I only peel the ends, put the screws loosely, right, so that one it will match, and then I will pull this out and then tighten the screws, put the rubber seal in there with some rubber seal adhesive, which it should be okay because the interior hasn't been messed up with. So, and then we're gonna see the end result. So as you can see, I'm gonna have to replace the thing because as I'm pushing it in with my finger, it ripped inside. So for right now, until I order the things, I put some glue, which is gonna hopefully keep it together and not get any water inside. So we're gonna put this on the window so it will push it in and keep it tight. Luckily, I don't have to take on and off the T-tops because of, you know, it's cold outside, and just hoping they will be a couple of days decent weather where it will not rain or get too cold. All right, we're gonna put it on the car. That actually worked out better than I thought. It closes right. I think there is a little gap, but that's in the inside of the door, but the frame where it closes, which is good though. Let's hope that there is no windage. Actually, we can, no, I'm not gonna drive it now, but it looks so much better. It looks so much better. It actually goes right on it. It's attached. So a lot of lessons learned here. I wish I maybe put it a little bit farther out here, you know, just to pass that window. But the problem is usually this right here as you drive, and that's where the T-top meets the rubber, which actually is not that bad. It opens and closes really good. It matches the rubber, which is perfect. So this is my only concern right here, that it has a hole as I'm pushing it in to get it to stick. Well, we'll see. We'll give it some time to dry, and then we'll drive it later on. And there's the car. Until next time.